Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to create these pancaked Dutch braids for beginners. First of all, create the middle parting that goes from front all the way down to the back. After that, I start braiding from the other side. Take 3 strands of hair and then start to move them alternately from side, under to the middle. While braiding, notice how I hold the strands. I'm holding with the outmost strand with my little finger. Here I'm using 3 fingers, middle finger and forefinger, for the strand that is outmost on our left side, and between my thumb and forefinger is the strand I move it to the middle. And now I just add hair between my thumb and forefinger, moving the left strand back to the left, and then just move the rightmost strand under. And as you can see, now the 3 fingers stitch is in here. Between the middle and forefinger is the outmost strand. That's the one you can see. And below that, there's the strand I just moved to the middle. Now I'm bringing some new hair into that strand. And this way, all the strands are always under control. Now I'm moving again the leftmost strand under, creating a hold with the 3 fingers in here. The outmost strand is on top, and the strand I just moved it below is beneath that one, so between my thumb and forefinger. It's pretty hard to see it from that view, but when I start to release the hold, you can see that when I move the strand on top between my fore and middle fingers, and there's the strand. Again, move the strand below, add hair. Remember to hold the strands in the same way as I earlier explained. Then the left one under, add some hair in, always under control, so it's easy to release the other half from the braid and take some new hair in. Right under, add hair, and left under, add hair. Even though I hold all 3 strands all the time, I think that the most important thing in the beginning is that you need to hold on very well the strands on the side where you're moving the hair. So right now it's the strands from the left side, and now it's the strands from the right side, and the third from the other side is not that important. So that 3 finger hold is the most important part of the work, and the third strand that I'm holding with my little finger and sometimes also my ring finger, that's not so important that what it's using your middle finger, forefinger and thumb. Anyways, here I'm pancaking the braid. It's very simple after all. You just need to pinch the edge of the braid and pull it gently out. This time I want these braids to be very big, so I pancake the braids after a few stitches, so I don't accidentally tighten the braids more than it's necessary. If you want to keep your braids tight, that's totally okay too. Then just skip the entire pancaking thing. Once you added all the hair in, just keep on braiding without addings. Next, I will repeat the same to the other side. There's no reason to change anything you do. Just repeat the same process also to the other side. And here you can see the final result of this hairstyle. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And if you would like to see more hairstyles, check out my Instagram account where I post daily videos and pictures. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a great day.